Hey guys, and welcome back to the next week of our data analytics course. Today's session we're going to be exploring the different types of data and their characteristics. Understanding these distinctions is fundamental to effectively analyzing and processing data, so let's get started. Data can be broadly characterized into three types: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Each type has unique characteristics and is suited for different types of analysis and storage. Let's go ahead and look at these three categories and what they're best suited for. Okay, so first we have structured data. This type of data is highly organized and easily searchable in databases. Structured data is stored in a tabular format with rows and columns, making it straightforward to analyze using traditional data tools like SQL. Examples of structured data include databases, information stored in relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server. Spreadsheets, that's data stored in Excel sheets or Google Sheets. Structured data is characterized by its predefined format, which allows for easy querying and manipulation. Here's an example of structured data: a table containing employee information. Each row represents an individual employee, and each column represents a specific attribute like name, age, department, or salary. This organized format makes it simple to perform operations like filtering, sorting, or aggregating. Next, we have unstructured data. Unlike structured data, unstructured data doesn't neatly fit into rows and columns. It's more complex and varied, often requiring advanced processing techniques to analyze. Examples of unstructured data include text documents like articles, reports, social media posts, multimedia files like images, audio and video recordings, email, that would be the content of email messages. Unstructured data is rich in information but can be challenging to manage due to its lack of a predefined format. Consider these examples of unstructured data: a social media post with text and images, a standalone image file, and an audio recording waveform. Each of these data types contains valuable information but requires different techniques to extract and analyze the information. And last, we have semi-structured data. This type of data doesn't fit neatly into tables, but still contains some organizational properties that make it easier to analyze than unstructured data. Examples include JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, often used by web APIs, XML, or Extensible Markup Language, commonly used for data interchanges between systems, HTML, the hypertext markup language used to create web pages. Semi-structured data has tags and markers that provide a level of organization and hierarchy, making it somewhat easier to parse and query. So here's an example of semi-structured data in JSON format. Each entry is structured as a key value pair, but the format isn't as rigid as a traditional table. This flexibility allows for hierarchical data structure but can represent more complex relationships. So to summarize, understanding the difference between structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data is crucial for choosing the right tools and techniques for analysis. Structured data is highly organized and easy to analyze. Unstructured data is rich but complex, and semi-structured data strikes a balance between the two, with some organizational properties. By recognizing these characteristics, you can better imagine and analyze the data relevant to your projects. Thank you for joining me once again today. In our next session, we'll explore various data sources and how to collect data effectively. Stay tuned and keep exploring the fascinating world of data. If you need help with any of the assignments or you have questions about the lecture, I can be reached through the Canvas inbox. So please feel free to contact me and I'll provide any help that I can. Have a good day. I'll see you around campus.